Hello everyone, welcome to Johnny's NetSec YouTube channel. This video is going to show you how to get Kali Linux integrated into your home network using VMware Workstation, and also I'm going to show you how to connect the Kali system to your wireless adapter on your host. Kali Linux is an open source Debian-based Linux distribution which has hundreds of security tools can help you to finish your cyber security requirements such as penetration testing, security research, forensic, vulnerability scanning, reverse engineering. It becomes an industry standard now for the security professionals. It's not only an operating system, it's also a platform. There's a whole ecosystem has been built for the Kali Linux. This video is going to be the first video to show you how you can get it into your home lab and then how you can start to work on. In the future, I'm going to demonstrate more tools and the usage, how to use Kali, this Linux release, to complete certain security related tasks. So now let's jump into it. This is not the first Kali related video. I had quite a few videos previously, a couple years ago, 5-6 years ago, to talk about Kali Linux and then talk about how to use Kali to do pen testing. If you are interested on those videos, you can look back, search in my channel. I do have a playlist for Kali. You also can find out from my channel and then watch it from there. But this is gonna completely new series, gonna start it for how to use Kali Linux to execute vulnerability scanning, penetration testing, information gathering, those work. Keep watching and then please subscribe my channel to get more once there's a new video post on YouTube. Kali system has different versions for all kinds of platforms. No matter you are using Mac, Linux, Windows, or using hypervisor, virtual machines, or different platforms such as ARM platform, mobile, or even the cloud, container-based, or live boot on CD or USB, or even WSL. For this video, I'm gonna demonstrate using the VMware Workstation, which you can get it through VMware website. It's free now for personal usage, so you can go to VMware.com to search the VMware Workstation for downloading. I do have a video for that if you want to see how the downloading looks like, how to find the download link. Please watch my list video for that. So assuming you already have it installed, then what you need to do is just get the virtual machine, depending on your hypervisor, either you Hyper-V, QEMU, VirtualBox, VMware, then you can download related version. So I'm gonna use VMware here for downloading. It probably take a while to finish. I will stop the video here and then come back, continue for the installation. The downloading take a while depending on your internet speed. It's a 3.4, almost 3.4 gigabyte file. It's a 7Z format. You can extract all. Then you will get the whole VMware package to load it into your VMware Workstation. After a couple of minutes waiting for extracting all files into Kali-Linux list folder, you will see all files will extracted and they will take 13.8 gigabytes space from your hard drive. What you can do now is you can open this Kali Linux VMware from this extracted folder, and then you can load it into your VMware Workstation. That's how simple, how easy you can get Kali Linux to run. You don't have to change anything. The memory, processor, hard disk, network adapter, all has been set up. The username, password also has been showing in this VM's description. Let's launch it to see how it looks like. The booting speed is really fast. You can type in Kali as username and password, and you should be able to log in. Just for your information, at this moment, we are using wired connection because we haven't set up our wireless adapter to connect into this Kali VM. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna connect in this USB wireless adapter to connecting to my VMware host and then mount it into this VM. To make things much simpler and easier, I'm gonna disable the wired connection for my VM first. So I won't connect it once I power down my VM. So at this moment, this network adapter won't be able to working. So you should be able to see this icon here is grayed out. So that means it's no connection there. After system booted up, so I'm gonna connect in this USB Wi-Fi adapter into my host and then mount into my Kali virtual machine. So let me log in first. Not all Wi-Fi adapter can be compatible with Kali, so Kali might not have driver for certain Wi-Fi adapter, but this one is using Realtek chips inside, so I've been testing it, so it's fully compatible. So if you can find a good one, so just make sure you have Realtek chips inside of your wireless USB adapter, then it should be automatically supported. So right away I plugged in, so now you can see there's something prompted up on the screen. So the VMware detected there's a new USB device, so they were asking, do you want to connect to the host or connect to virtual machine? So of course I'm gonna connect into the virtual machine. The reason why I can get these is because in the settings I enabled the USB controller. So USB controller is here presented. So in that way, once you have a new USB device plugged in, they will ask you this option. So you can see here, so this is Realtek A02.11 and WLAN adapter has been connected to them. So other USB devices connected already on a host because I didn't plug in as a new device, so they won't prompt it up for you to connect. Right away, you should be able to see a network connection here. It's still grayed out. The Ethernet network is disconnected. The Wi-Fi network also disconnected. If you don't have Wi-Fi adapter, this option even don't show here. So at this moment, since they already detected the USB adapter and the drivers has been loaded for this USB Wi-Fi adapter, since they know the chip, and then we should be able to see quite a bunch of SSID available, the Wi-Fi network. So I'm gonna connect into one of them, which I know. So then you should be able to put in password in here, then you can connect to it. Now you should be able to have Wi-Fi connection to the internet through this Wi-Fi network. Now, if you want Wi-Fi related pen testing or Wi-Fi related tasks, then you should be able to do it from here. Since this video is mostly for how to integrate Kali Linux into your home NAP environment and connect into Wi-Fi network, I won't demonstrate how to crack your home Wi-Fi network password. But here are some commands I can show you to how to use it, and then you can explore it. There's a GitHub project.pa-dictionary which should be able to give you more details about this kind of attack. We don't have to install all those packages since Kali already included them. What we need to is just to use the command in this GitHub repository to hack your home network or to crack your home network password. I put the command here already, but this should give you some basic idea what you can do. First thing, of course, we have WLAN 0 interface. Right now, since we connected to our USB network here. After that, you should be able to use this command to get your SSID, and then you can identify which network you want to focus on. So we are gonna try this Bobby network. You got the BSSID, you got the channel. Channel is most important thing. We're gonna focus on this channel. Bobby's here is on channel 10. So basically we're gonna starting to capturing a handshake packet. The network is down because we haven't put the network in the monitoring mode. So there's another command which you can use. It's airmon-ng and then start on. Just paste here. We're gonna start the interface into monitoring mode. You can see the chipset is Realtek Semiconductor Corporation chipset RTL-A192CU. That's the driver. Now we got some WPA handshake packet here, as you can see here. After you have enough handshake information, now you can stop. If you look at, you should be able to get the handshake-01.cap file. Then the last command is to get the password dictionary, and then we're gonna give it a try, or you using brute force using aircrack-ng. This command to brute force the handshake.cap trying to find out the password. We are not gonna pretend that. If you need a dictionary, you should be able to find from this repository. So there's lots of dictionary which you can download it to use. So all those dictionary are here. So you can download them 6 meg. You can download them and put into your local folder and then trying to brute force your WLAN network. Hopefully you don't need to take too long, then you can get the password using the aircrack-ng, but I'm not going to demonstrate that in this video. You should be able to get more information from online for that, but that's the whole idea, how simple, how easy you can start to use Kali to do the penetration testing or do the ethical hacking. I hope you get some good information from this video. If you do, just give me a thumb up and subscribe my channel if you haven't. That will give me a great support. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.